Welcome to Scouting at Home for Cub Scouts. My name's Koala and tonight we're looking up at the night sky. You've probably heard of constellations before and they've been used for thousands of years for navigation. Tonight we're going to show you how to spot a couple of the really common ones and one way that you can find direction at nighttime without a compass. The first constellation we'll look at is Orion's Belt, also known as the Three Kings. It's made of three bright stars, all in a row, and you can imagine a straight line could join all three. In the southern hemisphere, Orion's Belt is visible in the northwest sky, and it's best seen during the summer months. Now let's try and spot Orion's Belt in this picture of the night sky. Pause this video if you want some extra time to look. Can you spot it? Let's point it out. Let's look at another constellation. One that you'll probably recognise is the Crux constellation, also known as the Southern Cross. It has four bright stars in a cross shape with a slightly smaller star in the bottom right. You might recognise it from our Australian flag, and it is very prominent in the southern sky. It's also the smallest constellation in the sky. The Southern Cross has a very close neighbour known as Centaurus, and two stars from that constellation in particular are the Pointer stars. These are Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri. They point at the Southern Cross, so we can use them to help us find the Southern Cross in the sky. Alpha Centauri is the closest star system to our Sun. Let's try and find the Southern Cross and the Pointer stars in the sky. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. How did you go? Here is where they were. One reason the Southern Cross is important to us is that we can use it to find south at night time. We do this with the help of the pointer stars. So once you've found them in the sky, draw an imaginary line long ways through the Southern Cross and have it continue out into space. Then draw a line between the pointer stars. Halfway between the stars, draw a line coming out at a right angle and follow it along until it crosses over with the imaginary line from the Southern Cross. From the point where the imaginary lines cross over, draw a line straight down to Earth. This is south. And once you know south, you can work out all your other directions. So the next time that there's a really clear night, go out and see if you can spot any of these constellations, or even if you can find south. You might be able to use some of this for some of your badge work. We'll see you next time. Good hunting, pack.